know me when it comes to this beef, I'll post when you sleep to the next Sunday. I cut off his limbs like I'm Ted Bundy. I'm so deep in these streets that I can't even sleep, trying to see how to eat till the next morning. Then I get up and get it like Steve Harvey. Get that bread extra early.